student, in last lecture, we already discussed about decomposition and combination reaction. But now in this lecture of my revision, we do the practice of these reaction. First of all, you should know about what is the decomposition, what is the combination reaction. Here you find out which reaction is a decomposition and which reaction is a combination reaction, and try to balance it. Yes, we discuss one by one, student. First reaction, magnesium plus oxygen, Mg2MgO, magnesium oxide. Yes, remind please student. Yes, try to remind. Combination or decomposition reaction? Yes, student. Yes, it is a decomposition reaction or combination reaction. Yes, it is a combination reaction. Combination reaction, student. Because here two products combine each other and give us a new product. Two reactants combine each other, give us new product. Combination. Two reactants combine, give us two element or compound, combine each other, give us a one compound, that is called a combination reaction. Yes, second reaction. First of all, see the balance or not. Magnesium 1, magnesium 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 1. So what do you do here? Multiply with 2. But now now magnesium here 2. You should multiply with the 2. Now you see if it is a balance or not. Here magnesium 2, here magnesium 2. Here oxygen 2, here oxygen 2. 1 and 2 multiply 2. Keep in mind, not put in between 2. Because it is a compound only. You should multiply in front only, not in between. You not break the compound. Yes. See again. Mg plus O2 MgO. Combination reaction. How many elements? 2. Magnesium and oxygen. Here magnesium 1, here magnesium 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 2. Oxygen and hydrogen you should balance at last, student. Keep in mind. And which one has a higher mass or atomic number? We have to divide first. We have to balance first. Here magnesium 1, magnesium 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 1. So you should multiply with 2. But now magnesium 2, that's why multiply with the 2, student. Yes, next one. See there. H2 plus Cl2. HCl. Two element or compound combine each other. That give us a one compound, that is again called combination reaction. Combination reaction. Yes, combination reaction. Try to balance. How many elements? One is a hydrogen, one is a chlorine, student. Here chlorine 2, here chlorine 1. So you should multiply with the 2. But now hydrogen is 2, here also 2, balance. So reaction is like this, students. See there. Try to be balanced. Hydrogen and chlorine, here chlorine 2, here chlorine 1. So multiply with 2, now hydrogen 2, balance. Yes. Combination reaction, student. Now we see the next third reaction, that is potassium chlorate. Give us a KCl plus O2. Yes, see there. Already see that heat is, sign of heat is there, triangle. It means decomposition reaction, thermal decomposition reaction, student. The answer is a thermal decomposition. Decomposition only. How you balance? How many elements? See, potassium, chlorine and oxygen. You should balance first of all potassium. Potassium 1, potassium 1. Chlorine 1, chlorine 1. Oxygen 3, oxygen 2. Now what you do? You are 3 and 2 things. Convert the 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. How you able to convert? Multiply 3 with 2 and 3 with 2 with 3. 6. Keep in mind. If you not know, do the LCM of 2 and 3. Keep in mind. Do the LCM of 2 and 3. First of all with the 2, then 3, it becomes 6. So try to make the LCM 6. How you are able to make the 3 into 6? Multiply with the 2. How you make the 2 into 6? Then multiply with 3. Now you check. Now oxygen 6, oxygen 6. But here potassium 2, chlorine also 2, multiply with 2. Now balance. Check there. potassium 2, potassium 2, chlorine 2, chlorine 2, oxygen 6, oxygen 6. Balance, student. Thermal decomposition reaction. Yes, thermal decomposition reaction, student. Now next one, C plus O2, very easy reaction, student. Already done. Two element combined give us one compound, that is called combination reaction. Combination reaction, student. And try to be balanced. 1 1 carbon, oxygen 2 already balanced. Self balanced reaction. Self balanced reaction, student. Yes, next. Silver chloride plus give us silver plus chlorine gas. Yes, see there, student. AgCl when break, this sign for the light only. When one element break into two compounds, one compound break into two compounds, that is called decomposition reaction, student. So in the presence of light, that is a photochemical decomposition. Decomposition only, or which type? Photochemical. I already explained to you 3 types of decomposition in my last videos: thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition, and one is electrolysis by using current. Yes, next reaction, student. See, water. When water break in the presence of current, electricity, that process is called electrolysis. Which reaction? Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction only. Decomposition reaction only. Sorry, how you balance the AgCl and Cl2? See, here silver 1, here silver 1, here chlorine 1, here chlorine 2. You should multiply in front of 2. Now silver 2, here silver 1, multiply with 2. Yes, student. And how you balance this reaction? See, which element? Oxygen and water, hydrogen. Oxygen here 2, here 1. So you should multiply in front 2. Now hydrogen 4, then also 4. Now you see balanced. Very easy reaction, student. Yes. Next reaction. That is also called decomposition reaction. Now carbonate. And carbonate break in the presence of feed, calcium oxide plus CO2. Yes, calcium carbonate, student. Calcium carbonate break make the calcium oxide and CO2. That is decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction, student. Very easy reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. And try to be balanced. Yes, calcium 1, calcium 1. Carbon 1, carbon 1. Oxygen 2 and 1, 3, 3. Already balanced. Self-balanced reaction, student. Self-balanced reaction. Next, iron plus sulfur. That give us what? See there. Iron plus sulfur, when two or more element, two compound combine each other. Element or compound combine each other, that give us one compound product, that is called combination reaction. That is called combination reaction. Very easy. Balance, iron 1, iron 1. Sulfur 1, sulfur already balanced. Self-balanced reaction, student. Go for the next reaction, student. Very easy reactions. Try to be practice, student, at home, please. रुकना नहीं है, लगे रहो स्टूडेंट. Yes, very nice. Next reaction, iron hydroxide. That was the iron hydroxide. It was the, you can say that ferric oxide, ferric hydroxide, iron hydroxide. Because here 3 positive, 1 negative. 3 positive always ferric. So here you see there, beta. One compound break into 2 or more compound, it means the decomposition reaction. Which decomposition? Thermal decomposition, because of the heat only. Yes, try to balance the reaction, student. I am writing again, student. properly for balance. Yes, this is the thermal decomposition reaction. Plus, see there, water. Now, how many elements are there? Iron, oxygen, and hydrogen. First of all, balance the iron. Here iron 1, here iron 2. You should multiply with the 2 only. Now, you check the oxygen. 3 and 1, 4. Here you check. 1 multiply 3. Oxygen, 3 oxygen, and hydrogen also 3. But in their front 2 also. Here oxygen 3. 3 multiply with the 2 oxygen 6. Here hydrogen also 6. But here hydrogen you see there how many? Here oxygen 6, here oxygen 4 only. Then what do you do? What do you do, student, for make this? Yes, 6. But here hydrogen 6, here also hydrogen 2. You should multiply here 3. So you should multiply with 3. Now 3 is 6 only. 3 here 6. Now hydrogen here 6. Then hydrogen here 6. Balanced, student. Very easy reaction. Yes, iron 2, iron 2. Oxygen 3, 2, oxygen here 3, multiply with 2, 6. Here 3, 3 here, 6. Hydrogen 3 into 2, 6. Hydrogen 3, here 3 into 2, 6. Already balanced. See this, very easy reaction. Yes. Next reaction, student. See here, a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. I already told to you the non-metal oxide plus water always form the carbonic acid, student. The reaction is there. Give us CO2 plus H2, that it means in the presence of heat, a thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. Yes, student. Try to be balanced. Carbon 1, how many elements? Hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. First of all, carbon 1, carbon 1. Oxygen 3, 2 into 1, 3. Hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. Self-balance reaction, student. Very easy reaction. Self-balance reaction, student. Yes, next reaction, student. Sodium nitrate. When you heat, gives us a, I think you understand, that is a thermal decomposition reaction, student. Thermal decomposition reaction. Because one element, compound break into 2 or more compound, that is called thermal decomposition reaction. Try to be balanced. Sodium is there, nitrogen and oxygen. First of all, sodium 1, sodium 1. Nitrogen 1, nitrogen 1. Oxygen 2 or 2, 4. But here oxygen 3 only. Then what do you do? Here 3, here 2. You already know, try to be LCM. Take LCM. 6 only. Try to make 6. This multiply with 2 and this multiply with 3. Now you see. Oxygen 6, oxygen 6. But here sodium 2, nitrogen also 2. Then you should multiply with the 2 here. But now the problem is there. Problem is there, student. Now here sodium 2, sodium, nitrogen 2. Nitrogen, sodium, but here oxygen 4, 4 or 6. That was 4 or 6. Yes, here 4, here 6 to 10 only. Not balanced. Then what do you do? Try to do again. Yes. Try to do again. Again practice. Yes, student. Here sodium 1, nitrogen 1, nitrogen. But here oxygen 3, here oxygen 3. Or 4. Then what do you do, student? So that trick is not okay. You not go with the 6. Then what do you do? If I multiply half here, now oxygen 1 only. You are able to half also. Able to half also. This is the left side, this is the right side. In the mathematics, you know, equal two side is there. Multiply with the half this side also, multiply with the half this side. So both are same because both are cut. If both sides you multiply same, for example, you have a 2 equal to 2. Then you multiply with 2, multiply 2, again equal. It means you are able to both sides multiply same. If you half there, see there, sodium 1, nitrogen 1, nitrogen 1. But here oxygen 3, here oxygen 2 and 2 ka half, that was also 1. So 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 3. But now to make this equation in the fraction, no, you not want in the fraction, then what do? You multiply the equation with the 2. Because if we multiply with the 2, it becomes 1. So 2NaNO3, 2NaNO2 plus 2 upon 2. Very easy cut. Now you check, student. Now you check. Very easy. See there. Sodium 2, sodium 2, sodium 2, sodium 2. Nitrogen 2, nitrogen 2. 3 into 2, 6 oxygen. Here 2 into 2, 4 and oxygen 2. 4 into 2, 6. Already balanced. It's not typical. Sometimes the you use that one, not okay. You go with that one. Yes, now you see the next reaction, student. Pb plus NO3, that is a lead nitrate. PbO plus NO2 plus O2, student. Yes, lead oxide. When lead nitrate break into lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas, that is a thermal decomposition, student. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction, student. Because of the heat, when one compound break into 2 or more compound, that is called thermal decomposition. Try to balance the reaction, student. Now, how many elements? Lead, nitrogen and oxygen. First of all, lead here 1. See there. Lead here 1. Lead here 1. Nitrogen here 2. And nitrogen 1. You should multiply with the 2. Nitrogen 2, but now oxygen 2 and 2, 4. 4 and 2, 6 and 7. But here 6 only. Then what do you do? Here 6 only, you should multiply. Yes, here 6, here 2 to 4 and 1 is a 7. 7. Then what you do here? You should multiply it with the here 2. And 3 into 2, 6 and 12. But try to make this also 12. How you make it able to make 12? But here nitrogen now 4. 2 and 2 are 4. So you should multiply it with the 4. Now nitrogen 4, oxygen 6 into 12. Here oxygen 8, 8 or 2, 10. 10 is a 1. So you should multiply with the 2. Because lead also 2. Now you check, student. Lead here 2, lead 2, nitrogen 2 into 2, 4, 4, oxygen 6 and 12, 2, 4, 8, 10, 10 or 2, 12. 10 or 2, 12. This is the balanced, student, reaction. See there. Now you see the next reaction, student. FeSO4 give us iron oxide plus SO2, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Again thermal decomposition reaction, student. Again thermal decomposition reaction, student. Thermal decomposition reaction, student. Keep in mind. Yes. Now try to balance it again. Yes, balance. Iron, sulfur, oxygen. Iron 1, iron 2. So you should multiply in front of, there is a 2. Now you see. Iron 2, sulfur 2, sulfur 1 and 2. Oxygen 8, here oxygen 3, 2, 5 and 3, 8. Yes, balanced reaction. Very easy reaction, student. So this is the examples of the reaction, revision part of your chapter, student. In next lecture, we do the next chapter, student, for the revision. Thank you.